This is Randy with Schulenberg Realty. I'm at 1788 Hannah Lane in Pingree Grove, which is just west of Elgin off of Route 72 and Ranking Road. And I wanted to bring this to your attention. We just had a great price reduction on this property. It's listed right now at $269,250, which is a really good price for this neighborhood. So the seller says, bring me an offer. So I just wanted to show you this community and how close it is as far as a walk to the clubhouse. It's in a prime location. It has a really big 2-car garage. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, updated appliances. Just a really nice opportunity. I can send you a link to the actual listing if you might have an interest. But again, it's just a short walk to the clubhouse. And over at the clubhouse, you have amenities like an indoor and an outdoor pool. You also have pickleball courts, tennis courts, a 3-hole golf course, which is really nice and is part of only this community. So Cambridge Lakes, which is next door, does not have that. You have lakes that are through here. One of the residents here showed me a really nice largemouth bass that he was really proud to show me on his cell phone that he had caught out of one of these lakes. But what makes this particular property stand out amongst others that are available for sale here right now is just how close it is to the clubhouse, which is right here in front of me. So it's just a really short walk or a very short drive. You could take your golf cart if you had one. You could take your bike, or just take a really nice walk and a stroll through the area. And it's not a real old population that lives here, so contrary to what some think with 55 and older communities, there's a lot of younger people who live here, according to one of the residents I was just talking to. When I say young, you know, in their late 50s, early to mid 60s. And they were comparing that to Del Webb, which is also in this area not too far from here in Huntley, Illinois. And they said a lot of them there, you just feel like you're a lot older in that community than you are here in this one. So even though there's a guard gate here, it is not a guard gate where you have somebody manning it and you have to, you know, check in at the gate. So you can come and go, and your guests can also come and go as they please. But it does give that appearance that it is set up, you know, with security. But that also keeps your association fees lower when you don't man areas like that. And this is such a safe community. So again, we're here. You can actually, I'm going to zoom in. You could just walk right over that berm and come this way if you didn't want to take the walk like I did on the sidewalk. But here's your pickleball and tennis court area. If you haven't played this sport before, it's a fantastic property, or a fantastic sport to play. Great camaraderie and community in the pickleball, you know, area throughout the country. Fastest growing sport, I believe, from what they say. A lot of former tennis players, bodies just can't take that anymore. Just enjoy transitioning to pickleball and keeping the competition and the exercise and camaraderie going. So here's the outdoor pool. It is closed now because we are in October. Just started October 2nd today, I believe. But for those who like to swim, there is an indoor. There's also, I don't know if you can see in there, it's an exercise room, so somebody's in there exercising now. I can see that from here. It's another sport, I don't know if you've ever played, but it's called bocce ball. And bocce ball is available here too. So don't think that if you're going to move into a community like this that you're just going to sit around and do nothing, because it's very active, pretty much as active as you want it to be. So bocce ball is a lot of fun. If you've ever been to Pinstripes out in Barrington, near the Arboretum in South Barrington, then you've probably played bocce ball, because that's something that they do there. So this is part of the 3-hole golf course. Got really nice ponds throughout here. If you want a 9-hole or an 18-hole, there's plenty of those kind of courses around the area too. Maybe you just want to come and practice your chipping and putting. You don't have time for golf, or don't want to spend the money on that other places. You can just simply come up here, and here you go. Here's the chipping and putting area. You can just have a little fun competition with your friends, or just come out here and enjoy. So I am going to stop the video now, but if you or somebody you know might have an interest in this area, it's called Carillon, Carillon, in Pingree Grove. The address of this one is 1788 Hannah, H-A-N-N-A-H Lane in Pingree Grove, so you could look it up. Or you can just reach out to me, randy@schulenberg.com, or 224-805-2616. And it would be an honor to help you or somebody you know put together an offer on this home, or just introduce you to the area and any other properties that you might have an interest in. So once again, 224-805-2616, and it would be an honor to help.